There's been precious few times that I've been a member of the Facebook group Blacksmithing for Beginners that I've ever been kind of proud of the comments that I've seen there. Because for the most part, a lot of Blacksmithing for Beginners is either people who don't know, which is fine, that's the reason everybody there, or people who think they know and can't help but run their mouth. There's been very few times I've ever been proud of a thread of comments before. And I want to show you for the first time that I am indeed proud of you folks out there on Blacksmithing for Beginners for this one. So, I have always been very critical of any particular YouTube channel that, in the pursuit of getting views with blacksmithing, to hang a pair of boobs or some other clickbait stuff out there. It's garbage. It cheapens the craft, and it's an insult, quite frankly. Look, having a pretty girl there is one thing. We're dudes. I don't mind looking at pretty girls. But when the best thing about what you're doing is the fact that you've got boobs, you're not doing anybody any favors. It's quite contemptible, to be honest. And that's coming from me. But, so what happened is that somebody put a post up on Blacksmithing for Beginners, and I'd like to share this with you. Okay, here we go. So, I'm not blanking out any names. This is out there in the public forum, so you're just going to have to deal with what you get. It's getting hot in Hell's Kitchen Forges, getting ready for the Living Wood Fair, where we'll be running shops on traditional blacksmithing, and they have this poor thing in high heels, tatted up with spikes. That's what we call a short shelf life, doing some of the worst blacksmithing I have seen in a long time. This is clearly somebody who does not know their ass from a hole in the ground. And it's a short video. And as a blacksmith, it's painful to watch. I kind of feel bad, right? But then we get into the comments, because here I am. I'm like, I am sure that every thirsty boy out there is going to say, "Oh, you're so pretty. I love your blacksmithing technique." And I was preparing myself for it, but then I got to see the comments. So let's go into here. Looks like she's hitting that with a purse. Get the fuck out. Thank you, Mauro Lopez, right? Bob Stewart, yuck. Bob Kinnear, someone wants attention, hot sparks to burn her tattoos, and also no safety glasses. I'm not usually a safety glass nut, but the fact that somebody shot in the fact that this woman's not wearing safety glasses is wonderful. Let's go to the next one. This is a killer. Justin Hamby, damn, someone come get your lot lizard and put it away somewhere. It is so cruel. Henry Hamilton, am I supposed to be watching the blacksmithing? On a more serious note, we used to tell the visitors to our shop, BS just doesn't stand for blacksmithing, One spark is all it takes. And Richard Popper, bushfire. That anvil is high as fact. Jerry Bones, not if you usually wear much higher heels. I love you guys. Sebastian Hart, correctly pointing out, firstly, never leave a hot cut tool in the Hardy. Second, no, just no. Bob Stewart, ridden extremely hard and put away wet. Way too many times. What, no blade quench? Fire in the hole. She fries bacon in that outfit. Amy Freyton Crone, it would be sexier if she really could swing a hammer. Poor girl needs to eat a burger and get some clothes on. Miss Amy, I don't know who you are or where you're from, but I love you. I just want you to know that I at this point, I love you more than any other woman in my life right now. Michael Stanton could do with a bit more hammer control. Pathetic on every level. Deborah Phillips. And again, it's the ladies that's chiming in that's killing me. What am I supposed to be impressed with? Her boobs, her butt, tats, lack of serious hammer technique? Just let me know. Her earrings. Bo Burn, people find this sexy. I find it stupid. Let one of them sparks hit those legs or burn her stomach and she'll feel like a real dumbass. And for all what likes, I got 1,000 likes, but I burned myself. And finally, forged in spunk. So, guys, I feel bad for the girl in the video, but welcome to the internet. But I'm once again, I cannot believe I'm saying this, but how proud I am of my fellows on Blacksmithing for Beginners. I cannot believe I'm saying that, but I will tell you that wasn't a measured and appropriate response to some garbage clickbait stuff. Hey guys, look, we love a beautiful woman, but Today, some of you have proven we love good hammer technique more, and that makes me so, so proud to stand amongst your ranks. Thank you, folks, very, very much.